Hi, thanks for coming. Welcome to NewCampus here in Area 2071. We run daily workshops, events and interesting speakers to come in. Every night we're going to be running events like this because we want to help people. What we do is we're an online school that helps people learn about new careers and initiatives all around the world.
I really believe that all of us have something inside of us. There is always a possibility to be the person who you want to be, and you will be able to change the world.
This is my first experience. After hearing Tesla, it's easy for me to choose my path very confidently.
You can meet a lot of people over here, and every day there's like different topic, people from different walks of life. It's something that gives you energy. It's something that keeps you up at work.
You learn something new every day, and it's a way I escape from the day-to-day stressful life.
It's just such a privilege to be a part of this very vibrant and exciting space, and the energy that they have brought into this area with the different initiatives that they're having, and especially the events. They just really encourage change to your lifestyle, growth, learning, collaborative, co-creative, dynamic space. It's a really important space, I think, and it's really inspiring, and I can also contribute more together with the space and how we can all just change the world together one day at a time.